Welcome to the thrilling world of Brawl Stars, where every match is an electrifying showdown. You might think you've seen it all, but prepare to be amazed as we dive into the hidden gems and unexpected strategies that can turn the tide in any game. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 Brawl Star things that are actually possible. The first thing on our list is that supers through walls. Supers through walls are possible for certain brawlers like Colt and Brock since they can break through walls with their supers. Second on our list is dodging shots. High mobility brawlers like Mortis can dodge shots effectively using their dash ability. Number 3. Ricochet. Rico and 8-Bit can hit enemies around corners by bouncing shots off the walls. Number 4. Healing strategies. Pom and Poco can heal their teammates using their superpowers. This is actually a very helpful brawler whenever you have a match that requires a team, and that team are a team of users that you know around Brawl Stars. Number 5. Environmental damage. Some brawlers can use the environment like water or obstacles to their advantage in battles. Number 6. Super chain reactions. Brawlers like Bo and Dynamite can set off chain reactions with their supers for massive damage. Number 7. Team synergy. Effective team composition and synergy can turn the tide of the battles. Number 8. Gadget use. Gadgets can be game changers like Jean's lamp blowout or Tara's shadow companions. And the last thing on our list is map awareness. Knowing the map layout and using it to your advantage is required for victory. This highlight should help you understand some of the coolest and most effective strategies in Brawl Stars. And that's the 9 Brawl Stars things that are actually possible that you didn't know in the past. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. And if there are other Brawl Stars things that are actually possible that you want to share with other users, you can comment it down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.